The 4 teams must race from Wilson Station, stop at the trapped Mississauga escape room, and proceed west to complete their final challenge at Oakville Public Library's Iroquois Ridge branch. The first 2 teams will receive TTC subway line mugs provided by the TTC shop as prizes.
We just ran through Pioneer Village Station just to catch this YRT bus. I'm out of breath. I can't talk.
If you have a banana peel on you, we can throw it out the back window.
I've got a bunch, so we can just throw it out the window. Hopefully this bus would take a skid.
We were supposed to get on our Route 1 at that bus stop over there, but because of the construction, we have to walk a little bit more in this beautiful weather. Sometimes the transit race doesn't like you.
I just saw Alfred and Richard run like maniacs. What are they doing?